Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Clank.Fun token. Ticker symbol is Clank.Fun. Now this token was trending on DEX Screener earlier and DEX Tools today. Very popular base token today. Pretty decent sized market cap. We're going to go over the information on the Clank.Fun token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. You can also find it on BaseScan. Now, if you're looking for the charts and the price and all the statistical information, you can find them on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. You can also find a ton of links on DEX Screener as well. Their Twitter right here is at Clank.Fun. You can see their webpage is linked right there as well. Easily find all the links here on this Twitter. Clank.Fun's the webpage. Brand new project. Just joined Twitter here December 2024. 1,217 followers. They actually have a link to their Telegram right there as well. And it says here, the easiest place to trade Clanker meme coins on the Base blockchain, built with at Clanker on Base, and then their Telegram link. So you click on the Telegram link at Clank.Fun. Now there's two N's in fun, so just be aware of that. 238 subscribers. You can preview the Telegram channel before joining. But that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this token, like new partnerships, new token listing announcements, you know, all that good stuff. And along with their Twitter too as well. Those are great places to see updates. So it shows you a little in their pinned tweets. It says, discover and trade the hottest coins on Base. And then there's a little video, 25 seconds of just the person explaining what the web page is. So it's not very long. But they do have here a little explainer thing. When you go to the web page, you click on what is this? And it says here, Clank.Fun V1.0. Find and trade the hottest coins on Base. Clank.Fun lets you discover and trade coins minted with the Clanker protocol on Base. All Clanker tokens are fair launched by users on Farcaster and traded via a Uniswap V3 pair on Base. And it says learn more about Clanker and Farcaster, and then they have a link to Clanker, Farcaster, and the Telegram community. Now, we're not going to go over all that. I have done a video on I think it's called Token Bot Clanker token. Ticker symbol is Clanker, and then the name is Token Bot, or it's vice versa. But yeah, I did a video on that when that came out. So if you want to learn more about Clanker, check out that video. And also, I posted lots of AI agent videos, lots of Clanker videos. There's even spin-offs, meme coins having to do with Clanker, like Pepe Clanker, Doge Clanker. There's all these different tokens that have come out. I'm not sure how those are doing now. Maybe those are not so good. But if you go to the webpage here, Clank.Fun, they have tons of tokens being posted here. One of them is Luminous. I did a video on Luminous recently. That's a very popular token, so check that one out. If you scroll through, you can probably see a couple of tokens we recognize here. Redacted Jadoopy. I just did a video on that like 2 days ago. Anon Clanker, that was another Clanker meme coin I was just talking about. That was pretty popular, so that's on here. Pepe Clanker. There's that one I was talking about there. So yeah, you could, if you scroll through on their webpage, Clank.Fun, you're going to recognize some of the tokens that you've probably seen in the past. You could also click on what's hot, so trending tokens. You can click on the top ones to see which ones are doing the best. You can see which ones are new. You could search. You can connect your wallet. There's all sorts of cool things you could do on the Clank.Fun webpage. And then it says, love Clank.Fun, share it on Warpcast. And at the very bottom of the page, they have a link to their deck screener chart. And join the community, so the Telegram. And yeah, so their Telegram, 238 subscribers, not a lot yet so far. Now, it says here also they have on their base scan 2,770 holders so far. So it's a new project, not an insane amount of holders yet. They've had 30,497 total transfers so far. There's 18 decimal places on this token. And they have a max total supply of 100 billion Clank.Fun tokens. Now, if you are looking to buy this token here, there is a liquidity pool on Uniswap of $689,000. So, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet would be fitting. You could use a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Base. You'd go into the dApps. You would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Base for the Clank.Fun token using the contract address that you could find on their Base Scan, Dex Tools, Deck Screener. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. As far as taxes go, according to their Go Plus security audit, it says 0% taxes, so maybe 1% at the very most. But you probably won't have to pay taxes or slippage. You will have to pay a little bit of gas fees. Now, this token was only created 9 days, 21 hours ago on Uniswap. That's when the pair was created, so it's a brand new token. Market cap is $3.2 million, and they are up 10.5% today. And yeah, go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.